Hey friends, in this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort data in your spreadsheet using the columns that you designate and going from A to Z. Or in this case, we could actually sort this via the date column so that things show up earliest to latest, as well as other great options. Again, Excel makes this easy and it's actually really robust in the ways that you can sort. So let me quickly show you how we can do this. The first thing we need to do is select the cells or the entire sheet that you want to sort. You can see in this case, I have a really simple spreadsheet. We got our sales associates, we got some dates, some numbers. I'm going to go ahead and select the entire thing over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the data menu. I'm going to click on this. And as you can see right here, we have some sort options. Now we have a quick button that will use just a sort from A to Z or Z to A if you want to go backwards. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on this sort icon and bring up some options. Now the first thing we need to see is that I do have some headers up here. I don't want this sorted. So I need to click up here that my list has headers, which is now going to recognize this top row as something we don't want sorted with everything else. Next, we're going to sort by, and we need to choose the column that we want to do. Now, as you can see, when I hit these little down arrows, the headers will come up first for what we can choose to sort by. We can also come down here, and you can see that column G will show up because it doesn't have a header option right there. So what I want to do is I want to sort by the name of the associate. So let's click on that. We're going to then look at the order, and this is going to be from A to Z. So I want it to sort alphabetically. And once I click OK, you can see that everything adjusts, and we now have things in alphabetical order. Now, if I wanted to have sorted by dates, what I could do is the exact same thing, come to the sort option, and instead do that column B. It's going to recognize it as dates. You can see oldest to newest is our order. And again, you can just select this using this option right here for column B. Again, remember, if you have headers, click on this little checkbox so the data in those areas doesn't get sorted. Once I click OK, you can see, unfortunately, Joe doesn't have a reference here. This is a different style of cell that we had used, but everything else is now in order using the date. So again, make sure the data that you are sorting by has a very specific format that can be recognized for the sort. That's it, friends. I hope that has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, make a ton of these Excel tutorial videos to make your life just a little bit easier. We got a bunch more coming up soon. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you again on the next one.